Malaya boy, what's happen now? Where you dey use spend the design your handicap now?
Chairman, you no notice of as man go meet that vendor wey dey grow tattoo. This vendor dey tell me say I pay 2 million. Eh? Chairman, I run 2 million for tattoo.
Jesus. Malaya boy, upon the way my skin tight reach. Now 2 million I be your problem. How you fit tell me? I been know you see my 23 million of belt what they wear. My skin full tight. Don't worry.
Chairman, you don't see your skin full now. But see the kind shoe they wear, Chairman. See the shoe they wear now.
Malaya boy, may you know the kind way they talk for Nigeria. This my shoe worth 23 million naira.
It's for the weed. Problems make me
If
stronger.
at all, you know and less. My run you small something.
Hello, Baba. The shit where you need a man or a woman old.
I don't run you the 2 million now for your pampe. Use and guide.
Hello, Baba.
My skin tight.
The shit.
Jesus.
Go my pampe. Hey, that money don't go. Chairman, I don't hold pampe.